Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 161st edition release. And today is release day. And I hope you are as excited as I am about this release. It is absolutely adorable, loving all the pastel colors. And what you're looking at right now is called the Circus Clown Ephemera, and it's adorable. Love it. Absolutely love it. Anyways, so today we'll be having a hop as well as a giveaway here on YouTube and on Instagram. So make sure you're subscribed to all of the ladies and leaving a comment and at least 18 years old or older. And you will have a chance to win a $50 gift certificate from the My Creative Times store. All right, and then the ladies' links will be down below, as well as the link to My Creative Times store and over on Instagram, all of their handles over there. I think that is about it. If you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 15% off your total purchase today, or any of the other designers as well. Let's jump right in. As hopefully you've had enough time to check that out. I don't want to spend too much time getting into all of the details because I did that on yesterday, but I'm just going to show you with what I'm working with today. So we have the Pastel Party 2026. Love it. If you like anything in detail, please go back to yesterday's video. Then we also have Let the Fun Begin Stamp and Dies. There goes that. We have the Ticket Dies. The Shaker Scallop Balloon Dies. And this will be sold as one set. The Scallop Topper Die. Love this. And the Ticket Booth Die. And today I'm concentrating on the balloons and the Scallop Topper Die. And here are the additional items that I'm using today. We have the Strawberry Die Plate, the Strawberry Flower Dies, the Eyelet Doily Die, Flower Petals Die Plate, the Pretty Scallop Rosette Die, and I use the smallest one, and then the Z Edge card, and I'm using the banner. And here goes the card that I created from that topper, and I love how it turned out. And it does measure, when you create it as a card, it measures about 6 3/4 by 4 by 6 3/4, I should say. And love that. It is just too cute. So this is what I use with the embellishment that I made yesterday. I didn't show this one because I already had the card created, but I just use one of those embellishments, which is like this. Use one of those and just popped it right on top of that card. And as you can tell, I still have the scallop, the doily die, and then the rosette, and then the banner, and then the scallop balloon dies. Love them. These are the little flowers that I got from Christine last year, and I love them. I did add some sparkle on those, and check out all that sparkle that's on everything. It is just adorable. Absolutely love it. Love the color of that wood grain back there. And then I also added a strawberry in the inside there. Love how that turned out. It is just the cutest. Check out that little face. Adorable with all that sparkle on there. And then I used the Stampin' Die set that came with this set. It is absolutely adorable. Now let's take a recap of what I made yesterday with the topper. And this is how it's intended to be used. And I love it this way too. And I thought those little girls reminded me of strawberry shortcake, which made me think about putting the strawberries on there. And added a little gem there on the side. Love that. So that's two ways that I created with that topper, and then I also made it into a box. Adorable. I love this. And those gems are so sparkly. And then that's how the back side looks. Love how that turned out. I had so much fun with this release. And then here goes the ticket that I used. I used the largest one, and you can see the imprint on the bottom of the ticket. And then there goes those pretty flowers that she released last month. Absolutely love it. Love the gems on top of that banner. And if you didn't see yesterday, these are the gems that I use, and I got these from Michael's. But those give off such a pretty shine. And then I use a gray color ink. I wanted it to not be so bold with the black this time, so I used gray. Really cute. And then the last two embellishments that I made yesterday were these, and I love them. So I'm able to use these on another project, or just send them like this to a crafty friend. So cute. I absolutely love this release. Tell me what you think. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Visit all the other designers as well. And I think that's about it. My code is MOE if you'd like to use it for 15% off your total purchase. Make sure you go over to Instagram as well. Leave a comment there, so you'll be entered into a chance to win a $50 gift certificate. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.